Hello! Welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you click on my video because today I have for you tip what to gift for your dad. Because this day what you will see this video, it is Father's Day and it's 21st of June. Yeah, today is day before Saturday is. It's Saturday, and I know it will be Father's Day, but I was thinking about what I can gift for my dad. Anyways, if you don't know me, hi, I'm Kate. I'm from Europe, from Czech Republic, and I decided I want to do videos for whole world. So this is why I decided I want to shoot videos only in English. I think it's a good language for that because yeah, I know that I have titles also dubbing, but for me it's better when I will shoot English than in Czech because yeah, my first language is Czech. Anyways, I was thinking what to gift for my dad, yeah, because I see some cards or something like that. It's not bad, but I think a card is good, but I want something better. And this is why I decided I want to do coupons. What we need for coupons, I have some hard paper, yeah, also my pencils cases, scissors, and that's it. And also after some ideas what to write for coupons. I will have six coupons. That first five they are like normal, and the last one is something like gold coupon, but you will see in this video. Anyways, also we have chickens. So now you will see cutie of no moment of cutie, and we don't have 11 chickens. Now we have new chickens. They are old, probably like 2 or 3 days, like from the egg, from the shell. So they are so cute. And here's it. We can start to make the coupons, and now I forgot that probably I need okay, I find this thing. It is for holes. That's so good, but I forgot ruler. So I must go to home and pick up rulers. Yeah. So I go for the ruler and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with a ruler. This is the most best ruler because it has here like 90-degree, so it's good. Now I will make 6 not squares. How I don't know how it calls actually, but it is like that. Let's go. Okay, one card, it will be like that. Now it is not straight, I know it. But one card will be probably like that, like coupon, I think. I mean, coupon. And it is 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And I like it actually like that. So now I will do 6 more because this is not, I don't like it, these lines. So 6 more. Okay, so I have 6 cards, and now for one card I will add coupon about wash dishes without some asking like why me, or something like that. So it will be in Czech, I said, and probably I will add some small picture about the dishes or soap or something like that. Okay, so first coupon is for dishes that I add little cup, and this is fork. I hope that it looks like fork, and this is like bubbles. Yeah, it doesn't look very good, but this is first coupon, and for the end I will add the holes, but this is so satisfying, and it will be on the end. So now let's go to the second coupon. Okay, another coupon about take out trash without some questions. So this is coupon number 2, and coupon number 3 is go for the beer without asking, without questions again. About that, don't make me wrong, it is that we don't have beer and where we live at the same house, so this is why I have this coupon about that. Yeah. Okay, my second one is about go to beer without some questions. So we already have 3 coupons. Fourth coupon is go to I forgot how to say it in English, but it is dark room under your house. Yeah, and there are spiders, there are, I don't know what is there. Normally in this room there are like potatoes or apples or something like that. So this is again go to this room without questions. Okay, fourth coupon, it looks like that. This was my plan about light. I don't know how when it looks like that. Anyways, this is spider and this is wet. Yeah. So fourth coupon is done, and 5 coupon is like today you are right. Yeah, because my dad has always right. I don't know how he does that. Anyways, this day it will be that he has right always, but he has to right always, not only the day, like every single day. Anyways. Okay, and this is fifth coupon. So now we have 5 coupons. Anyways. Anyways, the 6th one and the last one, it will be golden coupon. So, about that, this coupon you can use for whatever you want, but you must have like, you must say please the word, and also from my view I can say again the questions like why me, etc. So I have done the golden coupon. Anyways, all of them, 6 coupons I have done, and now I will do the hauls. probably on this side. Yeah, it must be on this side. Now I don't know if I will do just one hole or two, but I think it will be better. I think it will be better one hole. So I will just do on every coupon. Now when I have it like that, I will probably do this and this. Okay, so I have it like that. I think it's good. I like it. But now I'm thinking if I will now it's light, yeah. But tomorrow in the morning, if I will not buy chocolate or something like that, and add this for the chocolate, because I think it's a good idea. Yeah. Anyways, I won't post this video on the day, so you will not see it. But I don't think so that this is not enough. Yeah, I like it, and this will got my father for Father's Day. So last look how it looks. First coupon, wash dishes without questions. Next one is take out trash without questions. Next we have go for the B without questions. Go to the dark room, I don't know the word, without for whatever, without questions. Today you are right. And last, golden ticket or golden coupon. And this is all about this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Also, if you will try it, and yeah, don't be in stress if you don't have some gift, because this is super gift, I think. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be healthy, have a good day, and yeah, bye.